married to Rajeshwari Patankar, my wife, and I have a son, 80-year-old Chetan Dev Patankar. She is a Sanskrit teacher in Prahar Military School, and my son is in 3rd standard at Saksham School. I started my journey 15 years back into business. Also, I have been associated with various organizations apart from Sampark. Progressive Soybean Entrepreneurs Association. I worked previously in soya manufacturing in human consumption, not in animal feed and oil sector. Janardhan Swami Yoga Abhyasya Mandal. And also I am a trade member of Triple ID. And in 2002 I was chairperson of Nagpur Green City Junior Chamber, Junior G7. We did many social activities. There are various achievements. The main achievement was we created a rangoli, which was 1.5 kilometers long and 4.5 meters wide, and we were honored with Limca Book of Records for that achievement. In 2005 and 6, I started my business in frozen food sector. I continued it till 2017. Then I switched to UPVC windows segment. Since 2017, we were into trading. I did some activity for some other companies also. In 2021, in August 2021, we started our own company, Arkhi Group. We are 3 partners in it. And we have our own fabrication unit at Hindayam IDC, which is opposite Mayur Marbles. All types of door solutions, sliding doors, openable doors, fixed windows. We did some Chilwada and farmhouse project. This is a tree house basically we made, the last top corner section, entirely in UPVC. There are around about from August till January we have served almost 500 customers. There are some mid-term goals. We suppose by 2025 we have a target of 5,000 customers. We are trying to give best services and quality products so that we can be one of the leaders in the UPVC market. Our main clients are architects, hospitals, because hospitals need specific requirements of soundproof windows and airtight doors, audio studios, IT companies. My complementing business partners are contractors, interior designers, construction material suppliers and digital marketers. हमारा तो मेन है कि जो भी घर बना रहा है, बंगला बना रहा है, वो हमारा मेन एक प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर है. रिनोवेशन कर रहा है, खिड़कियां दरवाजे बदलने हैं, कुछ नया करना है. So we are always in hunt of such people. If you want to connect, if you have any leads, if you have any references, this is my mobile number. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sampark.